Hey, have you ever left home with an iron, water pump, electrical gadgets on, and had to come back with your parents just come and turn it off? Or are you even tired of mowing your own grass every time or paying people to mow the grass for you? Not again. And there are sometimes you need to tear the whole house apart in order to look for certain things like remotes or one or two small things. And this is very annoying, and you know what I'm talking about. Not again. So welcome to the 7 most important tech gadgets that will save you a lot of time. So if you're interested in saving your time very much, your time is very efficient to you, these are the 7 top gadgets that will save your time very well. Stay tuned. So number 7 on the list is the smart plug. Have you ever returned home or your parents returned home just because you left some important switch on that can grab the house? Yeah, it's very annoying. So with the smart plug, you can actually control your electrical gadgets connected to the smart plug through the specified apps like Google Home, Alexa, and Siri. I don't think Siri is part, yeah. But with the specified apps, you can control the smart plugs. One interesting thing too about this light is its scheduling. Yeah, you can schedule when lights should come on, when fans should turn off, when this gadget to come on, when this light should go off. Yeah, that's one important or interesting thing about the smart plug that can be controlled on the phone. Yeah, it's very interesting. For me, what I think is cool about this plug, it's not its smartness or anything or its scheduling abilities, but one thing I think is very cool and it's quite mind-blowing is that its ability to inform you when a plug gets too hot. And this is very interesting. What do you think? You can leave your comments in the comment section. You can have fun over there as usual. So number 6 is the Bluetooth tracking device. Actually, there are so many tracking devices you can use, and one, we have the Apple AirTags, you have the what's the name? That's for the Android phone, and you have other specified Bluetooth devices. So with these devices on any of your gadgets, it's going to be interesting. In case you don't find a gadget, you can just track the device and within seconds you know where the gadget is. And it can be also very dangerous having such Bluetooth tracking devices with you. You know why? Check it out.
Here's the problem though. All the things that make AirTags the perfect tool to keep track of your belongings also make them an enticing tool for criminals.
So that's all about the Bluetooth tracking devices. So you can just get one for yourself, and it's going to be interesting getting one on your devices or anything remote or anything that you know that normally gets missing in the house. Yeah, what do you think? And it can also be very dangerous from the Mr. Who's the Boss's video you watched, and the link to the video will be down in the description. Yeah, if you want to get a full idea of how it works, it will be down in the description. You can just watch it out and don't forget to subscribe to his channel. Sounds funny, but as a student, as a creator, this will save you a lot of time. Welcome to the Resuseable Notebook.
Introducing the Rocketbook Access, a notebook from the future. If that doesn't get your thrusters hot, I don't know what will.
Unlike a normal note, these notes can be uploaded on your phone after you are done writing the notes or you are done whatever you are doing. It can be uploaded on your phone. It doesn't end there. You can initially clean up what you wrote after it's been uploaded by simply mince or blow dry the pages to make it blank again, and you can reuse it again and 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 again. And now, are you tired of mowing your grasses yourself or spending a lot of money to pay people to mow the grass for you? And this actually leads us to number 4. Robomow, the robotic lawnmower. This is a robot car. Yeah, a very small car that mows your grass for you more perfectly compared to the human standard. And I actually saw this car. I thought it was a client count, so I said, oh, wow, it could do this kind of job. Very interesting. So how does this thing work? Comparing to human work, this Robomow has some sort of atlas, or let me say some small sharpening knives under the car, which makes it possible to mow the grasses very neatly, mow the edges of the grasses very neatly, and you can schedule this thing to mow, and it can be working for you all day, all time, and it's rechargeable. It can charge itself. It's very intelligent here. So I'll classify it as a smart Robomow. This will actually save you a lot of money, a lot of time. So you can actually visit the official Robomow website in order to maybe order yours or get yours. And I think checking the price, it's not up to $500 here, if I'm not mistaken. You can check the official website robomow.com just to check if you can actually afford, and it's actually going to save your time. It's going to save your time, a lot of time, and your money. No need to pay people to come and move for you, and it's going to be very, very interesting. Now it's about to get more friendly. This is a teacher, a companion, an entertainer, a time saver. This leads us to number 5 there. And yeah, if I enjoy the videos, someone on the channel will be very, very friendly or entertaining, yeah, or even time saving. Have you ever seen a robot with a junior brother before? This is very, very mind-blowing. Welcome to Asus Zingo. Zingo is a smart new robot who has a lot of features, can be used in a business field, homes, education. It's all fun. It can be used in many sectors, and it's very fun. And you know, this robot can go as far as turning on your TV, your volume, and 1 or 2 electrical gadgets.
Hey Zingo, turn on the TV please.
Okay, got it.
Hey Zingo, turn up the volume please.
Sure.
Hey Zingo, mute the TV please.
Okay, got it.
And even gives you an alert when something happens in the house. And this is, wow, interesting.
Attention, somebody opened the kitchen cabinet. The kitchen cabinet is closed now.
So as you can see, you can actually control this Asus Zingo with your voice. And can I know the worst command or worst instruction you can ever give this robot? You can leave it down in the description. You can have fun over there. So number 2 on my list is the Roomba, the early morning robot, cleaning robot. That's how I call it. Yes, I actually thought of me waking up every morning to sweep my room, to dust my room, and it's kind of very, very stressing, time consuming. And I actually thought of who can do this thing for me, which robots can do this thing for me, and I went on there to search, and lo and behold, I found the Roomba. So I actually ordered 2 and it's been shipped, and when it's in, I'll actually do an unboxing of this video of this Roomba. So just stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you just check out my view on how the cleaning robot is and how it feels to use a cleaning robot. Yeah, and so what about the Roomba? This is a cleaning robot that can be programmed to dust your house, clean your house, move around your house, clean your house each day, each week, and even every time, even hours, minutes, and that's how it is. Very intelligent. And the last gadget that will actually save your time, yeah, it's the timer track. So as you know, time is the most valuable thing that we have, and I think we should spend it more consciously and more efficiently. So welcome to the timer track. The timer track I'll actually recommend that's going to be more efficient is Zai. Through their software, users can actually assign a project to each of the face of the device and immediately start tracking the time on their project. It doesn't end there. Zai provides apps for Macs, OS, Windows, Linux, and even Android. Are you interested in knowing the amount of time you use on every project? Then get one for yourself. So yeah, we've spoken about the Robomow, the terminal track, the Bluetooth tracking devices, the Roomba, and what again, the smart plug. Yeah, what do you think? Which one will you be getting after this video? And if you found this video useful, then I think the sub on the channel will be very, very marvelous. Catch up in the next video. I'm 4-4.